Welcome back to our Oakleys. Guys, we have an awesome episode lined up for you today. We're going to be unofficially unboxing TiO2 X-Metal Juliet variant number 6. And it's going to be a bit of a surprise. And I think you guys are going to like this because, yes, this is one of my absolute favorite pairs of TiO2 variants for the Juliets. Before we check these out, you know what to do. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, check out our other videos, and check out my book. I lived in a homeless shelter in high school. I'm retired. I retired early at the age of only 46. And yes, you can retire early too. You need to read this book. It's very inspirational. It's very motivational. It's very educational. It's packed with tips and tricks on how to save money. And even if you hate reading, it's a great and fun and entertaining read. And I promise you, you will love this book. Links are going to be below in the description. Do not sleep on this. And don't sleep on these TiO2 variants either. Come on in so we can check these out. We got our Oak custom box. Of course, these technically did not come in this box. We made these ourselves. I had these made back in the day. Forgive me, guys, but this was before all the drama began with Dr. Chop. But he hooked me up with these back in the day, back before all the drama started. But anyway, I just put them in the Oakley custom box here because they are customized. They are Juliets. They're all Juliet pieces. 100% OEM. And again, this is a very special pair. This is a pair that I kind of thought up, right? I had a bunch of spare pairs of Juliets laying around. So I decided, why not have Dr. Chop, in this case, make some customized TiO2 variants rather than the standard X-Metal with plasma. Now, we got this pair. Check these out. These are absolutely stunning in person. So, of course, instead of X-Metal and plasma, this variant, number 6, happens to be carbon with X-Metal. And we've got, can we see that? Does that, I don't know if the lighting adequately captured. These are emerald lenses, guys. Now, I could have taken these a step further. They do have the black unobtainium, so the ear socks, temple shocks, and nose bombs are all black. I could have, and maybe I will in the future, maybe I'll put on some emerald, but I think we got some other pairs we'll showcase in future episodes. Hit the bell icon. So I didn't put the emerald on here, but still a very beautiful pair. Again, just as a friendly reminder for those of you tuning in who are not familiar with X-Metals, forged at 3,600 degrees using a 450,000 watt generator, titanium-based alloy. We now would know what that is because we use the X-ray gun at the gold shop, and we'll probably do that again in the future to test some other X-Metals. But hit that bell icon. But virtually indestructible frames. Very cool. Nose bridge is pieced together, of course, with pins. Flex couplers are the little pieces of rubber inside that nose bridge that allows this pair to flex and form a customized fit around your face, along with the customization of the temple shocks and nose bombs. But I'm going to give these a quick close-up before we end the video. Oh, real quick, guys, too. We got a sponsor. It's Rakuten. If you guys aren't familiar with Rakuten, click the link below. At the time that we're shooting this video, I can give you guys a free $50 bonus, free to sign up, free to use. I've been using it for about 7 or 8 years now, and I've accumulated, I think I said in a previous video, I gave some figure that was incorrect, but it's about $1,500 or $1,600, but that's on stuff I was buying anyway. So why not use it? You're going to get free money back on stuff you're buying anyway. And it's on probably about 80 to 85% of the websites out there. Not 100%, but more often than not, you're going to get money back on Rakuten. Click the link below, sign up for free, use it for free, and get $50 for free. You spend 50 bucks, you're going to get 50 bucks back for free. You're welcome. Click that link. Let's come in now. Let's check these out. I'm going to zoom in on these for you guys and give you a close-up. Again, this is one of my favorite pairs of the TiO2 variants. I really like the frame to begin with. That carbon with X-Metal is really beautiful. I almost think that Oakley should have done that even for a limited edition pair or something similar to that. They never did. And again, all Oakley pieces, we just had these swapped out. I think maybe I should, at some point, change the unobtainium from the black to the emerald or green unobtainium, because these would look even better, I think. But we got some other other pairs. We don't really want to go too heavy into that, but let us know what you guys think in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing. Do not forget to hit that bell icon, and we will see you next time on Rare Oakleys.